There has got to be millions of birds moving tonight. And just this steady flow, just zip, zip, zip. And it just goes on back and forth twice a year. The sky is filled, but I know it's going to change.
Birds face an increasing number of threats. There are some major changes as the world has industrialized.
I think it's time to pull the plug. Birds are down pretty low here.
These songbird populations are in big trouble all around the planet.
That's your best side.
When you play with nature, pull one piece out, maybe that's a pivotal piece, and you just don't know.
This is really a case of survival. We're changing the environment faster than birds can cope with.
We think that songbirds are really like the canary in the coal mine. They are telling us something that's wrong. There's something happening to life on the planet that's not good, and we need to find out what that is and how we can change it.